Hi guys and welcome back to the channel. So I am Steph Barron and today I have got a little video which is going to be showing how to lay down your baby hairs, lay down your edges. I feel like this totally changes up the look. It makes it look like you've really made an effort when really you've just like wore a low bun or you're wearing like a high sleek ponytail. Yeah, I'm really loving it just now. So here is a photo of me that's on my Instagram with my edges down, which I absolutely love, and I just got so many questions about it, so I decided to make a video. And also, if you have watched any of my other videos, you'll see the last video I made a promise to myself that I was going to make at least one video a week showcasing the hairstyles that I do and yeah, my lockdown looks. So yeah, I'm actually delighted with myself that I'm here making my second video in the second week. So first off, the items that you are going to need for this tutorial are hairbrush. This is the wet brush that I'm using. I absolutely love this wet brush. I feel like it just glides through your hair so good, even though my hair is extremely greasy right now. But just ignore that, I'm just about to put a load of gel in it. Anyway, using this Shockwaves gel, snatching down my hairline with. You're also going to need some hair balls, and I have also bought this kids toothbrush, and I bought this because I've seen quite a lot of people using like mini toothbrushes, and the kids one was smaller. I thought that'd be better. It's also softer bristles, which I thought would be better for laying down my edges. Also, I was using like a spoolie before, which was good, but I felt as though a lot of the product was getting on the spoolie, and I suppose I could have cleaned it. But I felt like I was reusing them more, so I feel like this is much more eco-friendly to be using this, because now that I've got this baby toothbrush, I'm going to be using it all the time. So I'm going to start off by putting my hair into a high ponytail, just because I am going to be making like a sleek, high, snatched look. So I'm just going to be brushing my hair up. You can apply some of the gel to your hair if you want to have it really, really sleek, but I just think if I just brush it quite tightly in, I don't want it to look too much like a chip pan, because then I'll look insane. But yes, so got it up in the high ponytail and sleek. So I'm going to start off, I'm going to use this little mirror so that I can see what I'm doing, and I'm basically just going to be taking the very, very front bits of my baby hairs. If you've taken too much hair forward, then just move it to the back. There we go. Right, so basically I am now just going to take the gel on my finger and I'm just going to apply it right on to all the baby hairs at the top. I'm now going to take my baby toothbrush, and we're going to start off with this little guy at the sides, and we're basically just going to be doing the brushing and swooping action so that it starts to swoosh in. How cute does this look? Then going to do this one at the top here, which is a bit sticky. It's actually got a bit sticky on my forehead, so I'm just going to use a little bit of this tissue to dab it a little bit on my head, just because I'd used a bit excess. We're just going to place this here. So these edges are starting to take shape. Good. Right, so we're now going to move on to the other side because my gel is now gone a bit crispy. Perfecto. So these are my front little edges. I have still got to do this one and this one here. Obviously these are quite exaggerated edges. You don't have to have them as exaggerated as this, but yeah, I really quite like this look, and once I put the ponytail in as well, it's just going to emphasise it even more. Take another little bit of my gel. I'm just literally putting it on my finger and applying it directly to the hair in the direction that I am wanting to apply it, and then it's going to be obviously getting swooshed round with my baby toothbrush. So the only thing I would say that is a bit annoying about this style is that if you do use too much product, or you are doing it a couple of times, you do take a bit of your makeup off, so you might just need to like patch it up a little bit. But I think because my hair is slightly longer at the front, which God knows how it's longer at the front, because I got snapped hair, so yeah, it's mad that these bits are long and sticking out, but yeah, so I've now just done this little side. I've got a lot more edges on this side than I have on this one, but I do another, could I do another one here? Yeah, let's maybe do a little bit more here on the other side. Balance my mirror. I think obviously to create the edges, it's like, it really depends on the hair that you have. Just wipe that excess on my bed sheets there. That's nice. It's the side I don't sleep at anyway, so it doesn't matter. Yeah, so this looks better now that we've got a little bit more here. And this seems to keep falling down a little bit, so I'm just going to get another little bit of my gel on my toothbrush directly. And I'm just going to gel that up. But I'm actually loving the results. I'm now going to clip on my Lady Luxe ponytail, and then we will have the finished look. Now that I have laid down all my edges, I am now going to put my hair, put my ponytail in, which is going to be this like long, sleek 24-inch ponytail from Lady Luxe. I could have done a low bun with this, but I decided to go for the long sleek ponytail. So basically this ponytail clips in, it's got this little tooth comb, and it's got like a wraparound bit, and it's got Velcro. So basically I'm going to slide this section into this part of my ponytail, and then it's going to wrap around the ponytail so that it's going to be like this extra piece, and it just gets wrapped around like this. Let's get started. So we're going to slide this part of the tooth comb into the top of the ponytail. If you want to put it into your baubles, you can. I'm going to then tuck this part underneath, this is the wraparound bit, but we need to secure the Velcro first. So we're going to pull this tight till the Velcro meets. Then, oh, we get in a tangled mess. Great. Great. Give it a brush, get all the tangles out. Right, now we've got this wraparound section. We're now just going to wrap this completely around the seam of the ponytail, avoiding the big knot that I've made at the back there. And basically we're just going to secure that for Kirby grip. And obviously I got this bit tangled, so just give this bit of a brush. There we have it. I've now got my ponytail with my edges, which I actually love how this looks, and I love how this has turned out. It looks so cute, and it's definitely a look I'm going to be wearing when we get out of lockdown. I mean, it's a bit much maybe to go to Tesco's, but yeah, I love this look. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and please subscribe to the channel. Please comment below with any looks you would like to see, or you would like to, if you've got any questions that you want to ask me. Yeah, then please feel free. I'm not going anywhere. We're still in lockdown, so you may as well get me to do some tutorials for you. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this one. I have loved making this one. I also made a little TikTok of it as well, so head over to TikTok if you want to see it too. I will link all my social media up below. And yeah, enjoy the rest of your day, guys.